Hello, good morning everyone. So we are back to on GitHub. So how to maintain our Git file we saw last class, you can watch that video. And we are here to how to log in. If you have registered already, I hope everyone registered and we are come back to. So I'm going to sign in, just click sign in. We have done the very interactive process. This is my username. You can use the email address also and followed your the password. If you are not created, you can create your account. Don't save it will, because I have done the two-way authentication, so you have to install authenticator in your system, in your in your mobile. This is the you can install using the that's um, Google Play or um, and you can scan that to your account. So whenever you're going to open that authenticated app, it's going to show you the digit. You have to enter those digit to authenticate of second level of authentication. So it's going to be verifying. Okay, and we are here in our account. You can see this is my account and we have this page. You can go with this, you can upload your profile with photos and what you have. You can add the following, to whom you follow, how many followers, because this is the latest new account. Nothing is there. So we have three repositories. I already pushed there is some repository, and right now we are working ansible code.yaml. If you see that in this file I show you, this is, if you do ls, you can see ansible code.yaml. So whatever the update we're going to do, it's going to reflect here. So you can see the updated 5 days ago. Okay, 5 days ago it's updated. So to show you, let me post this code. So right now you can see, if I'm going to do the git login log one liner, you can see we have origin, which is not latest update. That is the okay, the last update we have 5 days ago, and right now today we have done one latest update with the introduce iOS module versus raw module. So you can see here we have code with the raw module only. So click that and you can see the commits. Can you see there is a 5 commits? 5 days ago we have this present commits. You can click this commit and you can explore all the commit. So you can see all 5 commits with their names, but what we have latest commit here, that is not available here. Once we will push, so commit going to make it on your local system, not on your remote system. We have to push your committed things to the cloud. That's going to be okay. So very easy to do pushing, because we have this GitHub account. So just you go for the git push the command, and who is your origin, means sorry, who is your remote is my origin, as I already introduced that. So you want to check your remotes, just you do remotes, who all are remotes are my origin. So your format will be git push your remotes. That's nothing, it's a origin. By default it's taking origin. You can change this name as anything else, as we have default git branch as a master. So you can change the master as a main or anything else. Same way your remote can be changed anything whatsoever you want. So here by default they're going to take the origin. Okay, if you change this name, you can use the changed one. Now we have origin remote and you have local to who you want to, the main. So just click this and you can see he did not ask me anything here, neither password nor token system. Just typers they accepted because my system is working on PKI, public private key infrastructure. We're going to see those live right now. Okay, how we have to enable. Let me remove this PKI. And how do you remove? I'm just for the sake of showing you this. Before that, what we push, let's see it's reflected on that or not. So just you click on your account, you will go on your account. You click, you will go on your code. So I click on code and I can see there is a 6 commit. And you can see there is a 14-minute ago this committed, means in your system the 14-minute ago it's committed. It's not talking about this commit when it's tracking the commits. It's not tracking your push timing. Are you able to understand, Nikhil? Yeah. So this is the commit time we have. 14 minutes earlier we has committed. So copy that commit. So I will click the 6 commits and this is, you can see with the different set of address committed and your hash value is showing. You can copy the code. SSH value, we will come on that. This symbol shows that code. So I want to show see the code. Just click here and we have detailed code. After click, this is the complete YAML file what we have the command over there. Idiot. Now come back to your code. I'm going to click here code and Astos. Now the thing is, how do I clone this? So just for cloning you have to click here. You can see the options HTTPS SSH. Click, it will go to git at the rate GitHub SSH and then GitHub CLI. We will come to that. What are the Git means, what are the features they allow us, but right now we need only the HTTPS, the link. Just copy this link. Okay, I'm going to copy this link and top. So copy this link and anyone can clone this because this is a public Git. I will come and I will discuss in upcoming classes what do you mean public, private, and what are the features we have. So just you do clean git clone followed by this is going to be copy in local system. Okay, so on the other side, like Nikhil, you can do that. If this, let me paste this on the chat.
So which one is this? Is this the Ansible playbook or is it the different?
This is the Ansible playbook which we just now discussed. So I pasted, you just copy, do the git clone and let me.
This is
Yes. And you can
nothing.
share your screen before copying because it's going to be recorded for everyone how it's going to use. I'm going to stop my presentation. You can present your screen. Yes, you can a little increase your screen earlier full a little bit. Okay,
Let me see if I can change.
so where do where you are going, you are cloning, you make better one different folder, not under the git init. Okay, go to
Give me one second.
terminal. Stop here, don't do this. Go to your terminal.
I have a terminal open right here.
Okay, great, got it. Now it's okay. So you are on terminal. Please make for all the cloning part you keep in one folder. You make it one folder better for management purpose. Don't
I
mess with
have.
it.
So this code folder,
Okay.
all my
Okay, I got it.
repositories
All
are
Ansible work and they're going to go. Okay, now
their
you just
systems
run
have.
the git status here. Whether it's under the code, it's a
Let me
git status is running.
let me clone the one that you
No, no,
have
no,
provided
don't
for.
clone, don't clone. You should not clone within the git. It should not come with the. You have to always
It's not
check the
it.
git status first because the.
Ashubhai, that's what I'm saying is that this code is just a folder. It's not. There is no Git
Ah,
on it.
okay, I got it. Just I want to make sure. Please make sure
All
that
of
this.
these
Okay, great.
all of these folders are separate repository which has Git on it.
Okay,
Okay.
now you can go for cleaning. Excellent. So always you use the git status, copy paste that HTTPS in the I have pasted in the chat. Okay, and enter that. For this, no need any permission. Just is going to created everything. Now you can see the cloning is completed, and you can go inside that.
Hold on 1 second.
Hello.
Yeah, 1 second.
Nothing going to be work here. You have to go inside that.
Oh, you. It says Ansible code.yaml.
YAML. Yes, this is entire one new. Just add code. Write down. Say enter.
This is
Okay.
where.
Yes, you can check your origins. You can check your origin. Not you can check your remotes. That's its origin. Git
Yeah.
remotes. So this not remotes. Remote. Yes. So this is the origin. So this is your where from where you downloaded. Now just to stop you, come back to our origin. I'm going. You stopped.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nikhil, for sharing how easy to clone. So you can see we have a start collaboration work together. You can also code same thing what we have in my system. Same thing is available over there. So you can see that's the code file ls what you saw there with the same folder. This is right YAML, YAML, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so I don't. Moving forward, we want to show how you have to use. Right now, everything is I set up, but I don't. I want to show you if it's not running over the PKI. It's very easy. Means no, they will not going to ask you username, password, and again, right? They did not ask me anything here. So let me remove the PKI infrastructure from here. So I will go to the setting and I will go to setting. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And go for the SSH and GPC key. Just click this. You can see we have this last use within the last week. You can see this key is added. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete. They are telling This action cannot be undo. This permanently deleted SSH key. If you would like to see it in future, you need to upload it again. Okay, I'm going to remove this. And okay, there is no SSH key, means there is no public and private key structure authentic. So if I'm going to push right now anything, what going to be happen? Okay, so before that, there is an alternative method to get your code. Whenever you're going to push your code, it's going to be the default method that is called the token mechanism. So this is the token, the personal access token is there. So I'm going to delete this token also. Okay, just for to do this lab and we try to understand. So we remove all the method, only we have user and password. So I don't have the token, I don't have the SSH key in my. Now let's do some work and try to understand how it's going to help. Clear? Okay, let's try to push. So before that, I'm going to do the next level of coding. So let's do some change in the code. So like right now, I'm going to check the git log. So we have this. Now you can see all the main and origin main are on the same head. Okay, now I'm going to do the code, and the code dot we are here, and I will prefer my old code system where we have already done the code. So next level we had from local connection local to move to the connection CLI. Okay, we have already checked this. I'm going to copy from here this portion entire. Okay, copy this because we have tested this code already. So I'm going to go in the code. First I will delete from here, and so this is a new way, means we have done. But right now output system other things we're going to update later on, not a part of. So my code is completely different, and I'm going to save this file. The changes, entire code is changed. Now let's see if the next level of code what is there. Git status I'm going to check in my local system. Now you can see we have branch origin, and we have same branches we are setting here, and I'm going to do the git add ansible, and then I will follow the git commit. So this time we not introduce with action type, like what we have done, the local versus network CLI. This is back looking on commit we can see, and now you can check it status. We have everything resolved, but again we are ahead of one commit by remotes. Agree? Right?
Yeah.
We have one line, so we are ahead of that. So of course intensely we have done. Just I want to post this to my GitHub. So the same command we have git post. Okay, so here I want to add one thing. You can use as a flag u. If you use flag u, means he will remember what you going to do. The commit to, he will remember the push. Or you have push, like let me show you. I'm going to do origin main. So Next time onward, I should not run anything. I should just go with the git push. Means it's going to remember who is my origin, means who is my remotes, who is my present one. So right, I'm going to use this u flag with the origin, so that again and again I should not do this. Means origin, who is my remote and who is my local. So just I will post this. Now there is challenge. The permission deny public key could not. Make sure you have correct access right. So I'm not able to post this. Now I will use the token system. I removed the key, but I will use token system. Let's the token. So for public key infrastructure, we are here on profile. We'll go to profile. Okay, here we will go for the token system. Go for the setting, and I'm going to go for the developer setting. That we're going to add token. We're going to generate new token. I will give them, this is the 30 days validation. So you have to give anything like EOD token. This is completely your stuff, what you, and this is, you can change the expiry. This token is assigned for the 30 days only. Okay, and what by this authentication, what you want to do, just click the repo, and so we have one token. I'm going to copy this token because later on you will not get. We have one token. I'm going to put here. Okay, and for authentication, if they ask me the token, whether they will ask me that token or not, so let's, they are telling your permission is denied because you configure as only for the public key, not for token system, because my system is configured for the public, um for the what, public key infrastructure I have assigned as a public key, so only that's why it's not. Astos, can I configure this for the token system? I don't want public. So for the purpose of showing, I just want to show you. So you have go through the the how we have to convert, if this is not a good practice at all, from public key infrastructure authentication to my local authentication, to my token system. That is not a good practice. This is the advanced one. So always we go for advanced. Just for demo purpose, I'm going to show. It's a clear. In the next upcoming class, I'm going to this video going long.
Sure.
Okay. So let's do in next class to how to remove the public key authentication. But this is not a good practice at all. This advancement just for demo purpose, how you will. Okay.